This video, we're going to be making these super quick and easy keto crackers. Oh my god, they're absolutely delicious. You can make them, cook them, all within half an hour. Let's go.
Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and some golden linseed. This is going to make an absolutely awesome keto cracker. These are so freaking good, so freaking good. I'm just going to bind it with the egg white from one egg and then put it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes or so. And just season that with some pink salt, some Himalayan salt and pepper. And I'm just about to add the egg before putting it in the air fryer. Check it out, there's all the seeds in there, and I've just added the egg white. Obviously, the yolk's in there, do not use that, but save that for later. That's the best part of the egg. And yeah, just going to put it in the air fryer now for probably around about 10-15 minutes, but just keep an eye on the top, see if it's got a nice golden brown, just to see what it's like, and then it'll be done. Super quick and easy. This is absolutely awesome, especially with a nice bit of cheese and whatnot. 180. Let's try 12 minutes. And there we go. So I had ended up having about 15 minutes in this air fryer at 180, and yeah, put it under the grill bit for a second. Obviously, every like cooker's like different, unfortunately, with the timings, so you might get a slightly different result. But yeah, around about 10-15 minutes in, and a bit under the grill just to toast it off. Absolutely freaking delicious. Perfectly fine on keto, guys. Check this out. See what the family thinks later on.